The Eucharistic service, which was to rededicate the women anew for work of the ministry and for the presence of God to direct their activities both in their families, church and society, saw women from the 17 archdeaconries of Awka Diocese in attendance. Right Reverend Ibezim, who said that every family is in their need of family altar so as to reawake their spirit of prayers and to take charge of family differences, which is common in today's society. Bishop Ibezim revealed that altars in the church are not enough, stating that any home that have no altar is incomplete.
A beautiful family without an altar is an endangered family. That family can disappear within a single day. That family can be wiped off. Without family altar, your home is not complete. To go back to renew your family altar, the Lord will bring it to come to pass in the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
The diocesan president of Mothers Union, Women's Guild and Girls Guild, Mrs. Martha Ibezim, called on women to be responsive to their duties and maintained that motherly roles of taking charge of their families and raising godly children are important to having a serene society.
Is this call for families to come together to seek the face of God, and when we seek the face of God, we will find Him. And whatever we are asking from God, God has the power to do it more than we are asking from Him, because God answers the prayers of women. So, are we ready to go to Him in prayers to present our needs and our challenges to Him, because He's a God that answers prayer.
In their various speeches, on behalf of the newly admitted mothers, Mrs. Blessing Nwokabia and Ijoma Ezoke thank God for elevating them to the status of womanhood, which is a vocation, asking God for His grace and promised to keep to the vows made to God and humanity.
Wow, I'm very happy because all the while I've been wearing white in my parish. But today, from now henceforth, I know that I will be in uniform like others. I'm very happy and very glad. With God's grace, I say God, thank you for your grace upon us.
I feel so excited, it's an unforgettable experience. I've not seen a crowd like this, but I came with a positive heart, knowing that I'm being admitted into the Mothers Guild, and then it's a wonderful experience.
The service featured series of prayers and thanksgiving by the women. From Chapel of Redemption, Unizik, Awka, Amaka Chibuzo Okoye, ABS News.